Hello and welcome to Liverpool, outside the Red Lion. I can't remember what part. I'll put it up on the screen anyway, won't I? Billy Boy's trying the spot I was going to try. I know. Gabbing away. Look at that pretty patterns there, you can't go under. No. Huh? I do. I'll throw over this fence, I think. Jay's down there. Joining us again. Jay from Liverpool. You're welcome. Right. Swing bridge there. Hi. Hi. That might be, give you a clue where we are. I'll put it on the screen anyway. Sitting on a canal chair. There we go, and got normal cruise out. There's AJ, and we've got zooming on this runner. Steady my camera. Side magnet men. You know them from Facebook. Where do people always walking from? There we go, we had loads of traffic there, people walking. And now JZ's in the way. There you go, there's the side magnet men. And then from Facebook, I'll get them later. Here's Molly.
Hi.
Hi. You got any blades yet?
Yeah.
Have you? Better go and check out what Tim's had. Go and have a look what Tim's had. Right, let's get started then. Right, was fishing here. Paul's there now. I moved because I was getting stuck. I moved over there where my stuff is now. Look at that. Not in order, but got a bit of weight to it. There you go. All two boxes I got first, and then that pole thing. A little tour across this bridge, and oh look, John from Muddy Waters isn't here, but it's his party, but he's not here. And then Billy Boy, it's his turn. Whoa, got a bellyache on the way home. I'm going to poo it in the car. I'm going to eat so much scrap. I know you don't need to know that, but I'm in a bad mood because I keep getting stuck, so you can have a bit of a daft commentary. Got a spoon, got a scaffolding clamp, curly whirly bit of stomach, and that, whatever that is, teeth in it there, teeth in it, is it? Cut stuff, whatever that is, glue grooves in it. Oh, hang on, I don't know. It's heavy though, it's got a fair bit of weight to it, so it was chucking down there.
From an RS 2000, I repeat, from an RS 2000.
Nice. I wonder what they found. Oh, Paul's got some. Right there. Yeah, was on there, yeah.
Go on, baby.
Ooh.
Oh, yes.
Oh, no, you're not seeing what he's just got. Good luck getting that out. Check Paul's video out. But yeah, that over here. Keep chucking and see what we get. It's Billy Boy's birthday. 10 years old.
14.
Hey?
2014 on Tuesday.
Well, it's not Tuesday, it's Sunday. Pack it away.
Right, so today we're celebrating John, which was last week. Bill, their birthday. We've got the table out gone through for the celebrations.
We'll sing it in it, we'll embarrass you in a minute.
This one's not only embarrassed enough.
Well, Billy, you're that one step closer to being out.
Happy birthday, buddy. But and for John, it's not here, like I said. Well, it's good for all your food, John, sorry. But you're not here, so we need to eat it, because you're not going to eat it. So we need to eat it. So we're going to eat it. Right. Under the bridge. Removed. Got a screwdriver. Kicking. Key. Bar, old spade, battery box thing. Paul's just helped me get on that fence out. It looks like the old barrier that was here on this side. You got this big barrier here. There we go. Fence on that side, used to be on this side. And that's part of it. No, there's no more in there because that was heavy. Baby seat thing. And a fence peg. Alright. Let's do it here now as well. Paul's on the cracking find. You can check his video when it comes out. Anyway, because yeah, it's Paul, so yeah. Right, down here now because that fence was bugging me. Oh. Knees I have to climb up and down it all the time. So I've come here. I'm not sure if anyone's been in this little bit or not, but I had a few things from there. Bits of scrap. Alright, but yeah, that's cool, getting some metal out. So, and then I got a ball. It's not really a shark because it's magnetic, so it's not lead, but still nice. Cool. Look at that. I'd say it was a knife day for the crew because quite a few came out. As my little contribution up to now. Hopefully I'll get a proper knife. Look at that. Let's pull that out now. Oh, phone. Alistair might have that off me. Might do. I can see how it tips up the bottom speaker bit while you're talking to, or whatever it's called. Old one that. And then a bit of a scaffolding bar with a double end. There we go. Right. Keep going over here. Oh, absolutely cracking now. That fence pin out. Been here like I said, and I could now after. Right, yeah, been I'm got confused. Been here, something heavy in the water there. Me and Paul have got it out after like numerous times coming off it. Oh, trip over magnet, and then pulling it in. Look at that beautiful thing. Oh, look at that. Turns as well. Sorry, not in the shop. Oh, something goes off as well. What a wally. Bear with me. Walker and Worsley, that says. I think Alistair read it a minute ago. Walker and Worsley. Yep, Walker and Worsley. I can't even see it. Something lock. Unpickable locks. Ooh. Walker and Worsley, Birmingham. Unpickable locks, that says. Okay. Was it picked? Was it unpickable? I don't know. How long's that been in there? It's just. Oh my god! Yeah, don't do it on your own. Just the door. Look at that. Cracking. Last chuck of the day. Yeah, last chuck. Seriously. Sometimes them words work, sometimes they don't. Cracking job. He's a nice little friend, isn't he, to helping me. Oh, tired now, my back hurts. Here we go. No handle on it like, but it's starting to rain now. Oh, look at that. I'm getting that off anyway, that lock. I want to get it off. I want to go on with it. I'm going on with that. Yes. Oh. Well, what a cracking day. Didn't find. I'm proper jealous of him. Russ joined Magnet and Steel today. James, his brother. I think you've met him before on these videos. I think you have. You have, yeah, you have. He got a pretty good find as well. Bit jealous of his find as well. But hopefully James will post something. Hopefully he did. On his Facebook. He will be starting his YouTube channel up again. So if you've subbed to Magnet and Steel RJ and they're not doing anything now, keep subbing to him. Just stay, because they'll be back. They will. Stuff to sort out. Check out AJ Magnet Fishing's video. Seen him a bit today, yeah. Check out the Bates Motel. Check out the Slack Clan. Check out. I'm not feeling someone else was here with a channel, apart from me. I don't know. And check out Merseyside Magnet Men on Facebook, and I'll put the logo up again. Never actually ran into him properly again to record him. How long have you been there?
2 seconds.
2, yeah. Him and Tim do that. Molly does as well. And Charlotte. Check out the Merseyside Magnet Men on Facebook. Chatted to one of them, I think, while he was having party food. Yeah, check out their post. Peace out, but I don't care because it's been boiling all day. Right. So, yeah, I'll get you some pictures of that cleaned up. And I really hope we can get that off the door. That's been that. Cheers for watching. Oh my god. Right. See you back at home with an update of that. Right, I finally got round to cleaning that Walker and Worsley Birmingham safe plate. Solid brass it is. I've wanted one of these for years. Like a a brass plate off an old safe. It's, I think, we researched properly. I think it's off an old Victorian style safe. I'll put a picture up of it. That type. And that is the cleanest I can actually get that brass hole, and then I've scratched it a little bit, but oh well. With a pin, trying to get these darker bits off. But it was, see the pictures, it's like when it came out it was filthy, so there we go. Unpickable lock. You saw the door it came off, didn't you? So the footage in Liverpool was recorded in May. The date was up on the start of the video, and this is July now, so took me a bit to clean it, to do it stages because it was hurting my hands a bit. Yeah, luckily Mr. Paul Houlihan took this part home and cleaned it for me, so this part's been cleaned for ages. Cheers, Paul. Walker and Worsley, Birmingham. Solid brass. How clean that is. Well, clean I could get mine anyway. It's a bit dirty in there, but it's good enough. Look at that. Give it a polish up later with some Bresso. So yeah, and there we go. Pictures before and after this little bit, so you can see the difference. There we go. Nice one. And the videos are out of order. Like I said, it was recorded in May, so you've got like 2 or 3 before this that were recorded afterwards. So you see the Merseyside Magnet Men on this video on their first outing with us. They've been out after that. Cool pair of lads. Take their old scrap away with them in a big bin in a big van, so yeah, pretty cool to go out with. So shout out to them, and hoping to get away. Well, I'm getting away on a holiday in August to seaside again. So I'm going to be doing some beach metal detecting. So you should see, I don't know, some metal detecting videos or video soon. Doing the bottle digging, trying to find a new place to go mudlarking. Stretch river I go to is overgrown on the bank that I want to get to, and I just want to try somewhere else. So yeah, some different variety of treasure hunting videos coming soon. Cheers for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the rest of the Northwest crew if you haven't already. Smell you later.